Today we're going to show you how to install a Draw-Tite hidden hitch trailer hitch, part number 76905, onto a 2018 Lexus RX350. This custom product was uniquely designed to be a receiver hitch only when you want one, and gives you a clean factory-style back-end look when not in use. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. For this installation, you'll use the following tools. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. To start the installation, use a 17mm socket to remove 2 bolts from the tie-down bracket on the passenger side. Return this bracket to the vehicle's owner as it will not be reinstalled. Then, on the driver's side, remove the plastic caps from the 2 rearmost existing weld nuts, as well as the rearmost rubber plug from the hole between the 2 weld nuts. Next, raise the hitch into position over the existing weld nuts. This is easier with a second set of hands. Then, install the M12 bolts and tooth conical washers, with the tooth side against the hitch, into the weld nuts. Once that's done, use a torque wrench to tighten the M12 bolts to 76 foot-pounds. Now, we must connect the receiver housing. To do this, take the removable receiver and the weather covers out of the case. Detach the provided key and use it to unlock the blue handle. Then press the blue handle in and rotate it clockwise until you hear a clicking sound. This allows the housing to release and drop out from the receiver. Finally, locate the top weather cap and attach it to the housing. At this time, you should also put in the bottom weather cap. This will keep the housing unit clean and free of debris when the hitch is not in use. Moving to the vehicle, take the housing and insert it into the center of the hitch with the protruding bolt hole facing outward. Then, insert an M12 bolt and flat washer through each of the holes in the housing and the hitch. Loosely tighten a prevailing torque nut onto each bolt. Torque each to 92 foot-pounds. This Draw-Tite hidden hitch, part number 76905, is now secure on this 2018 Lexus RX350. Because of its uniqueness though, there are a few more steps we'd like to show you before you hit the road. First, peel off the labels and apply one to the top of the removable receiver and the other to the inside door jamb on the driver's side. Be sure to keep the warning notice in the glove compartment. When you're ready to use your hidden hitch, take the weather cover off the bottom and store it in the case. Then, take the removable receiver and push it up into the center housing unit. Push the receiver upward until the blue handle turns and you hear it click. You'll know it's firmly in place when the indicator on the handle shows green. Finally, take your key and lock the handle. Now your hidden hitch is ready for use. For more information on this and other great Draw-Tite products, visit Draw-Tite.com.